Hey guys, Roby here with the Divi Engine team, bringing another quick tip to you. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our Divi Mega Menu plugin, and we are going to show off a super quick tip today. Now, sometimes you've got a page here with just a white background, and when you open up your Mega Menu, well, it kind of gets lost on that background. Now, we're going to go show you how to fix that in today's quick tip, so let's go and take a look. So guys, here we are as always in the backend of our Divi site, and all you got to do is go over to Divi Engine, Mega Menu settings, and check this box. That's it. It's that simple. If I save this page right now, and this is one of the many features of Divi Mega Menu, and refresh that page, and I hover it right now, you can see that it's got that beautiful overlay that makes a little bit more contrast with the page. Now, if you don't like the color or something like that, you can just easily come back over here and we can say, well, let's make it a blue color and maybe make it a little bit less, the 35% opacity on that alpha slider. Save that up. Let's refresh the page on the front end and check it out. There we go, guys. So that was pretty simple. Now, if you don't have Divi Mega Menu yet, what are you waiting for? Go and pick it up. It is a steal, and it will make your sites just a little bit more vibrant with these different settings. For those of you that already have Divi Mega Menu, or maybe even our membership, awesome. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you get the maximum use out of your plugins here with Divi Engine. So guys, this has been Roby with the Divi Engine team. Thank you for being here. I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Bye for now.